Welcome. The 2025 Dodge Challenger is set to make waves in the automotive world, blending classic muscle car heritage with modern technology. Starting with the new Challenger maintains its aggressive stance with bold lines that hint at its powerful performance. The front fascia is sharper, featuring redesigned LED headlights that give it an intimidating look, while the hood scoop is more pronounced, signaling the beast that lies beneath. Under the hood, Dodge has outdone itself. The 2025 Challenger offers a range of engine options, starting with the turbocharged V6 for those who want a balance of power and efficiency. But for the purists, there's the supercharged V8 that delivers exhilarating horsepower, making it one of the most powerful cars in its class. The sound of the engine alone is enough to turn heads, with a deep, throaty roar that's unmistakably Challenger. Inside, the Challenger combines retro styling with cutting-edge tech. The cabin is driver-focused, with a large digital instrument cluster that can be customized to show vital information like performance stats, navigation, and more. The infotainment system has been upgraded, featuring a larger touchscreen with faster response times and enhanced connectivity options. Premium materials are used throughout the interior, with options for leather seats, carbon fiber accents, and even custom stitching that adds a touch of luxury to the muscle car experience. When it comes to handling, the 2025 Challenger has been fine-tuned for precision and control. The suspension has been upgraded to offer a smoother ride whether you're cruising on the highway or taking sharp turns on a track. The available adaptive suspension system allows drivers to switch between comfort and sport modes, depending on their driving style. Dodge has also packed the 2025 Challenger with advanced safety features. Adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking are all available, ensuring that this muscle car is as safe as it is powerful. There's even an optional driver assistance package that includes a 360-degree camera and parking assist, making it easier to navigate tight spaces. For those who crave customization, Dodge offers a range of options to make the Challenger truly yours. From unique paint colors to performance upgrades like Brembo brakes and sport exhaust systems, there's no shortage of ways to personalize this iconic car. And with the return of special edition models, fans of the Challenger can look forward to limited-run variants that pay homage to the car's storied history. The 2025 Dodge Challenger is not just a car, it's a statement. It represents the perfect blend of power, performance, and technology, wrapped in a package that honors its muscle car roots while embracing the future. Whether you're a longtime fan or a newcomer to the world of muscle cars, the 2025 Challenger promises to deliver an unforgettable driving experience.